morning, world. We're 26 weeks today, guys. My room, it is a mess. 26 weeks. Doctor's appointment on Monday, but this weekend is Mother's Day, guys. Woo! I am here by myself. Dropped Ryan and CJ off at school. I'm here chilling with our new cat, so I don't even know if I got on here and said it. Y'all know I had a cat. Her name was Toasty. Unfortunately, my cat did not survive her injuries. We got a new cat. It's a boy cat. His name is Rascal. He's not feeling the best right now. Something happened to his leg. Oh, it's okay. But you know, we got a house full of Rascals, and Rascal is learning a tough lesson that these kids is rough. Right? You learning that these kids is rough. And you got to protect yourself. And you have to stay out of their rooms at night when we're sleeping. We don't know what's happening. Rascal been limping. He not trying to walk. But yeah, that's how we got little Rascal. So yeah, I did my hair yesterday. I got some hair from IC Hair, some crochet miracle knots, the Bare Muse curly 20 inches, y'all. I love it. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. I installed it, you know, braid your new hair, real hair down. And I use all 4 bundles they sent, okay? You want a full look? Like, I haven't even put no product in here. I have not wet it down. I did wash it before I put it in my hair, but, like, it dried. So, this is literally just, like, big and bushy. I went to sleep last night with my bonnet on. And, yeah, I haven't did anything yet. But I need to clean. Last night was my first time having a good night's sleep. Like, lately, since being in my 20s, like 20 weeks and stuff, like I've been getting super full. I'll be overeating, and then at night when it's time to go to bed, I just feel really uncomfortable and terrible. My stomach is like stretched to the max, so I've been learning to like eat less, couple bites here and there, or if I do eat a huge meal, like that'd be like the only meal I probably eat because it just stays on my stomach all day long. But literally this morning was the first time that I woke up and my stomach was not super tight. I like pushed down on it, it was like soft. I slept all night. I think I drank less water, so I didn't have to get up so many times to pee in the middle of the night. And my husband slept good, so it was literally like a good night last night. So I'm just so happy because my husband literally only get like 1 hour of sleep every night. Like he fall asleep, but then he wake up, and I'd be like, "Babe, what the fuck? You just went to sleep." So all that to say, I'm just giving a little update. I'm so mad. I made a mistake and deleted my 19-week vlog, but I'm working on my 20-week vlog. Y'all heard me. I said I'm 26 weeks now, so I'm catching up because soon I'll be doing daily vlogs. Like, just keep the camera on and upload it as it is, okay? Because I'm getting more comfortable and comfortable. Like, if you want to do content and you've been aspiring to do YouTube long form, like, you just got to do it, and you'll start getting way more comfortable, Like, I'm sure through my videos, if you watch back, even if nobody watching, like, I don't even know if anybody is watching, but if you watch back on my old videos, I was so like, I don't know what to say, but now I just be talking and saying what's on my mind. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and I don't know what I'm doing today, but I really want to do cleaning vlogs, y'all, but that just takes so much fucking work. Like, oh my god, the angles, this, no. So I'm about to clean up, and maybe I'll show y'all the clean results. I'm about to go on YouTube and listen to some stuff. I'm gonna clean my room. I need to organize clothes. Like, look at this. Like my husband, he works so hard, so he don't be doing nothing, which I ain't mad at, but I'm tired and pregnant, and I ain't been doing much of anything either, so I need to get on my stuff. Oh, and then look, I got these cute PR package from Relatable. They're emotional support pals for Mother's Day. I have to make a video for this, but like, look how cute that is. Like, so stinking cute. They sent me dino nuggets. They sent me this one is emotional support puppies, and then they sent me emotional support bread. Like, how freaking cute. And more so, it's like more for the kids for real. Because emotional support, like, they love to play with these, like, in a calm corners, sit them down, quiet time in our room. The cat likes to play. I have a few other, like, emotional support animals. But oh my gosh, if y'all have like a new mom friend or a mom that just, you know, something light, something not too crazy that you can just, it's like lighthearted and nice and put a smile on somebody's face, you can now get these from Target and Walmart. So like, they're so fun and cute, you know, and each of them come out and they all have their own names, all have their own personalities and backstories, and you can read about it and stuff. So yeah, I'm probably later today, I'm gonna get back on here so we can go and deep dive, so I can Talk to y'all about it. Well, let me go. I need to clean this room up. It's already, the day is like rolling. I need to organize these clothes because my husband said he's gonna take over washing clothes until we get our washer and dryer. And then I think we're supposed to go to Lowe's and stuff because we have a project. He wants to do our living room floor and paint. So I'm so excited because we got to do so much to this house before the baby gets here. And now we're about to get it rolling. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my vlogs. And, you know, comment, let me know y'all what you want to see. I'm doing this stuff. I don't know what I'm doing, but every day I wake up and I do it, okay? So as long as you waking up and getting something done, baby, be proud of yourself. The world is too short. It's too short. Life is too short. None of us is making out of it alive. We might as well keep footage of it so we can stay alive, because once I'm off this earth, guess what? CJ will watch these videos. My new son, when I give birth, will watch these videos. People for years and years and years will watch these videos. So I'll never be gone for real, you know?
High volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice. I can make you mine. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mine. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Time I dance with you, my money I go pay. For your love I go pay. It ain't making my DJs. I feel it for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love I go pay. For your love I go pay. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, every night say I go drive me psycho. Every ditty, but they make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. You're my queen, girl, you are that. Looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like, oh. Show you everything when I get tonight, oh. True that make you utilize, oh. Yeah, when we dance, they will go revive, oh. Give you many things, we could they make you dance, oh. Yeah, they'll make you back up to this Sunday mic. If his phone ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, they on risk. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at. Where you at? Look at that love in every day. Diamond dancing.
Y'all, I am just now getting done cleaning the bathroom and it's 1:21. I know I said the time earlier. It was like 9 something when I got on here and started cleaning up. I did a deep clean though. Something about being pregnant and you just want everything clean all the time. I need to find a vanity, y'all. Like, what kind of vanity y'all think would look so nice here? All this space. I don't have a beauty room, unfortunately, but we're gonna make do with what we have. So Amazon, Wayfair, whatever. Where do y'all see Temu, TikTok shop? A vanity, makeup vanity. I do my hair and my makeup every day. I do my skincare. I want to sit down. I'm getting bigger and bigger as the days go by. So help me pick out something perfect for this area. Now it's time to tackle this room. And then the laundry in the hallway.
When you go, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay.
All I gotta do is mop the floor, and then I'm going to shower and be done and get to edit some videos for YouTube, okay? But I just want to show y'all, I got the Ninja Blend Boss. I'm so excited. So I saw my cousin had this, and I'm like, where did you get that? She said Amazon, and I'm like, I need it. Let me show y'all. I got protein and some hydration stuff that I've been needing to drink. But I never had a blender, and I just bought something from TJ Maxx. Let me show y'all this. $1 from TJ Maxx because I was like, okay, I need like an immersion blender so I can blend like this is stellar hydration. So it's like collagen, hyaluronic acid, pregnancy and breastfeeding safe. It's mango lemonade flavor. It's not bad actually, but it helps like when you feel, I guess, dehydrated. When I drink this, I feel a lot like so much better. It says it's a refreshing, natural flavored drink mix with formulas to hydrate, replenish from the inside out. Electrolyte blend, skin nourishing complex of collagen, hyaluronic acid, and sunflower. Okay. Then I got this protein from them too, which I never tried. So I'm excited to try that in this blender. It has 3 grams of creatine, 5 grams of fiber, no below fiber, and 20 grams of protein. So I'm gonna have my husband go to the store and get some like fruit and vegetables so I can try this. And it's vanilla flavor, creamy vanilla flavor, and it should be expired yet. Let's see. Yeah, should be. I just a couple months ago got this. Oh, expiration date October 2027. Okay, so then I got this immersion blender, which I showed you. It's pretty good to blend like, this is in here. To blend smoothies or like some soft fruits or just powders. I got some. Hold on. I got some of this broth the other day in PR, like chocolate bone broth. Protein goes beyond traditional powders, of course, muscle recovery, provides collagen, amino acids for your joints, everything. Gut inflammation. Bone broth protein is rich in absorption of collagen that helps strengthen the gut line to support nutrition absorption. You drink it hot, you drink it cold, you can boost it, add to coffee or smoothies or overnight oats. Oh, I didn't know that. So I really got this to try this. You plug it up, you push your buttons, so it's like $20, so it wasn't bad. And it also comes like a whisk because you can like make baby food and soups and stuff. So I guess it's a good buy because okay, I'm gonna make August and I enjoy making little baby food and stuff like that for a little while, you know. But let's open this Ninja. This Ninja Boss. So excited. I should have a balloon. I got the green one, whatever. We'll just like get green stuff about it. I got you. Ooh, it's nice. Okay. Oh, you look at the pink. Love it. Pregnant self. I love this. Oh, a top so you can switch it out. That's cute. So excited for this smoothie. It's heavy. Remove before first use. Plug into power. Okay, look at that. Nice and cute. Here. Oh. Here. You have a spoon. It's supposed to be right out there. Get to know your Ninja Blend Boss. Load it up. Do not go past the max line. Load it up. The recommended use 6 to 8 ounces of liquid to achieve the best blend. Reference menu field if needed. She won't. I mean, I don't know. You know, daddy won't take silence. I don't know if he wants to. I mean, she don't. You know, I don't make you feel the best and stuff. He said, "Well, Cha said it's garbage food." And I didn't know what to respond. I'm like, yes, it is. It's bad, but I don't want it. Like, I was like, maybe actually get you a smoothie or something for your reward. You know,
like just so you know, like I think she knows what she's doing with the childcare shit. Like she's like as far as operating a business, I think she's a good person. It's like like to be around kids and shit. Like,
I'll be scared, like right.
I'll not be scared.
All right.
Here's a
Wait, hand biter. Hold your hand.
he don't bite. You sure?
It's a bird or something. I'm squeezing, Susan.
okay, let's go.
Even if it was a it's like sandpaper. Right?
He'll scream like this.
CJ, you had your hands in your mouth after touching the snake. But why is your hand? You gotta wash your hands. That's nasty. CJ, it's nasty. You just touch this nasty, dirty snake and then you put your hand in your mouth. You don't think that's disgusting? Okay, go wash your hands. Simple solution. Wash your hands first.
Like, put your head down.
It's not gonna bite you first. It would have been this one.
Go!
Yeah, it's cold. So you move it on. You just gotta let him go through like this. Keep moving.
Can I put him down?
No, thank you.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
You like snakeskin?
No.
You never rubbed snakeskin before?
No.
If you had a
You should just ask him to get a fast snake.
Dog. I'm gonna knock you and the snake out. Stop!
No, I want you to do it.
I'm pregnant. If I fall, I hurt myself. It's gonna be your fault.
Knock us out.
shoot, Daddy!
Knock us out.
See, stop playing for real. I ain't come out here for all this.
Just hold it.
No!
Just hold it. I think it'll be a fire.
No, it won't. No.
Hey. CJ, stop waiting me, bro.
Okay, Roger. I don't need to.
It's a constrictor. It's not like a venom. It's constricted spray. I'm gonna give it a light. He's just chilling.
Don't spray me.
We do not exist in